Hey everyone, 2025 Cadillac Escalade ESV is a remarkable embodiment of luxury, technology, and performance, an iconic full-size SUV that continues to command attention on the road while setting new standards in the premium automotive segment. The Escalade ESV, with its extended wheelbase and spacious third-row seating, represents Cadillac's most ambitious approach to fusing opulence with utility. It is more than just a vehicle, it is a symbol of status, craftsmanship, and advanced engineering. In the 2025 iteration, Cadillac refines every aspect of the Escalade ESV, elevating it to a new level of prestige and innovation. The most immediate impression the 2025 Escalade ESV delivers is its grandiose presence. With its bold grille, vertical LED lighting signature, and sculpted body lines, the Escalade ESV makes a statement before it even starts its engine. The exterior dimensions are generous, with an extended length that offers both imposing road presence and cavernous interior space. Cadillac has carefully balanced boldness and elegance, maintaining the Escalade's traditional silhouette while incorporating subtle aerodynamic improvements and aesthetic refinements that reflect a modern sense of luxury. Under the hood, the Escalade ESV is powered by a choice of engines tailored to meet the diverse expectations of its clientele. The standard 6.2-liter V8 engine delivers robust power with a smooth, authoritative rumble. Producing around 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque, this engine is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission that shifts effortlessly, providing a seamless driving experience. For those who prioritize efficiency without sacrificing performance, Cadillac offers a 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel inline-six, delivering exceptional torque and fuel economy. An optional high-performance 6.2-liter V8 supercharged engine in the V-Series model offers even more thrilling dynamics, pushing the Escalade ESV into the realm of performance SUVs. The 2025 Escalade ESV also sees enhancements in its suspension system. Cadillac's Air Ride adaptive suspension and magnetic ride control are standard on higher trims and optional across others, providing a supremely comfortable ride. This system automatically adjusts damping based on road conditions, reducing body roll and enhancing overall driving composure. Whether navigating city streets, gliding down the highway, or handling rougher terrain, the Escalade ESV feels controlled, refined, and insulated from the outside world. Inside the cabin, the Escalade ESV achieves a level of luxury that rivals bespoke vehicles. Materials are exquisite, with hand-stitched leather, genuine wood, and brushed metal elements adorning the surfaces. The interior is exceptionally spacious, particularly in the second and third rows, thanks to the extended ESV body. Even adults can sit comfortably in the third row, which is rare for full-size SUVs. The second row captain's chairs and available executive seating package offer limousine-like comfort, transforming long journeys into serene experiences. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the stunning 38-inch curved OLED display, which stretches across the instrument cluster and infotainment system. This high-resolution screen delivers vibrant graphics, seamless responsiveness, and intuitive operation. It combines a 14.2-inch digital instrument cluster, a 16.9-inch infotainment touchscreen, and a 7.2-inch control panel, all housed in a single sleek unit. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a built-in Google Assistant, Google Maps, and Google Play Store functionality. Cadillac's AKG Studio reference sound system, exclusive to the Escalade, offers an immersive audio experience. With up to 36 speakers placed strategically throughout the cabin, including in the headrests, the system delivers studio-quality sound that envelops passengers in rich, nuanced audio. It is a fitting complement to the Escalade's emphasis on comfort and entertainment, especially for rear-seat passengers who can enjoy individual audio zones and personal screen controls via the available rear-seat entertainment system. The 2025 Escalade ESV integrates a full suite of safety and driver assistance technologies. Standard features include automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, rear cross-traffic alert, lane keep assist, and front and rear parking sensors. Cadillac's Super Cruise, a hands-free driving assistance system for compatible highways, is available and further refined in 2025. It now supports automatic lane changes and improved navigation-based guidance, offering one of the most advanced semi-autonomous driving experiences on the market. Super Cruise utilizes a combination of lidar map data, GPS, cameras, and radar sensors to maintain vehicle control, speed, and lane positioning while allowing the driver to remove their hands from the wheel under certain conditions. Practicality remains a key strength of the Escalade ESV. Its extended wheelbase adds over 15 inches to the standard Escalade, resulting in a massive cargo area that dwarfs most competitors. With all three rows in use, the ESV still provides generous luggage space. Folding the third and second rows opens up nearly 145 cubic feet of cargo capacity, ample room for anything from sports equipment and luggage to large household items. A power folding seat function makes configuring the interior layout quick and effortless. The 2025 model also places a greater emphasis on sustainability and connectivity. Cadillac has introduced new hybrid elements into some trims, aiming to reduce emissions while maintaining the power and performance the Escalade is known for. Although a fully electric Escalade is still on the horizon, the 2025 ESV sets the stage with improved efficiency and eco-conscious material sourcing. Inside, recycled and responsibly sourced materials are used without compromising the luxurious feel. On the tech front, Cadillac enhances the Escalade ESV with over-the-air OTA updates, allowing the vehicle to receive new features, software enhancements, and bug fixes without requiring a visit to the dealership. The digital key functionality allows users to lock, unlock, and start their vehicle using a smartphone, while multiple user profiles remember driver preferences such as seating, climate, infotainment settings, and even ambient lighting. Customization is another cornerstone of the 2025 Escalade ESV. Buyers can choose from a wide palette of exterior colors, wheel designs, and trim packages, including the ultra-luxurious Platinum and Sporty V series.